Excited to tell you that we've been able to speed up MiniMax, bring inference time down half, even more than what it was taking before. First of all, we've updated the free ComfyUI installer, which is always free for the public over there at comfy.getgoingfast.pro. We've moved it up to CUDA 13, which is going to allow us to use Sage Attention. And as I mentioned, that's going to cut your inference time in half. Truly amazing update. Okay, we've also taken the MiniMax installer and we've turned it into a full model manager, so you can actually choose which models, which LoRa's you want to use with it, as well as it installs the custom nodes that you're going to need to run optimized workflows. Okay, along with this, we've also added a prompting guide, so you can just throw that into ChatGPT and see, like, hey, listen, using this guide, help me to write this prompt for MiniMax. Okay, and it's going to do it. It's fantastic. Okay, so I have gone on my 4090. I've gone from taking about 700 plus seconds for a 10-second generation down to 275. That is incredible. It's about 4.5 minutes for a very high quality video. Okay, and you guys can do it too. We've got it all set up for you over here at getgoingfast.pro. Go get the free ComfyUI installer. All you got to do with that is go and delete your old VENV folder. That's your old virtual environment. Just run the installer. It's going to recreate that, and you'll get to keep all of your models and all of the outputs that you've already had. With the MiniMax installer, same thing. Just run it. It's a model manager. If you want one, just grab the one you want. If you want to delete the one you want. You can sit there and update the custom nodes, and you are going to be doing some incredible video generation before the night's even over, man. So enjoy yourself. Go get the free ComfyUI installer. Go get the model manager and get to making stuff. All right, we're going to catch you on the other side. Hey-oh.